Now the trick is, can you take the cherry stem? Where's the stem? Let me see it. You have to tie it with your tongue. Yep. Tied it with my tongue. In a little knot.
How do you do it?
With my tongue?
Yeah.
Skill. Fried calamari.
Too hot.
Oh. You good? What is this?
Ikaw ba siya sa kas? Pusit, the tail. The tail of the squid.
Oh,
Apo yun, no? Pusit, nga.
This way.
The tail of the squid.
Okay. How much is it?
5 gyapon na ya. 5. Everything is 5.
Oh wow.
There's a stick here.
Let's try some squid. Ooh. It's so big. Just dip it in.
And it's still hot.
It's hot. It's good though.
Yeah.
Whew. Do you want anything else?
I'm afraid. My stomach will unravel.
Woo.
But very tender. Very tender.
Uh-huh. Oh. So hot but delicious. Let me get a few more eats out. Can you hold one?
No.
Just hold it for me.
You only have one?
Uh-huh.
Oh, you're not dripping everything in the soba. Only have a bit.
So good. Let's try the sweet.
Morning, sa oras. 10 to 5. Wala ka gabi. Hindi na ko doon. Kayo mo oras. It's open from 10 to 5.
This place? Okay.
So you could go here.
I might come back. It's good.
Yeah.
I like the seafood. No one ever has calamari.
In Cebu?
I've never seen calamari in pusit before. All right. So 4 plus 1, so 30, and then 1 pusit and 1 calamari, so 40.
How many?
4,
20 plus
10
30,
plus 2.
40. Including mine, right?
Yeah. Let's see.
Have change?
Maybe. Hey. Here, hold this.
Is this recording?
Yes.
So you're behind the Davao City Water District building?
That's the water district?
Yeah, that's the blue one.
There we go. Thank you.
Thank you, kuya.
Alright, now to ice cream. $3 kilos. This one even has flan.
Yeah, that's halo-halo giant.
It looks good. We just get a regular halo-halo.
The regular size.
Yeah.
The regular Filipino size.
But next time we'll get the giant.
Kidstry, finishing the 3 kilos.
Yeah, 3 kilos, that's almost 7 pounds. That'd be a challenge for sure.
Yeah.
That'd be one heck of a mukbang.
How many regular halo-halo could that be for the 3 kilos? The one that you could put. You know, the ordinary from outside.
It's
How many do you think of that cup that you have for the 3 kilos?
maybe 6 or 8 of them. It's hard to tell. But this one has flan. I want to try that.
The small one has flan.
Oh, it does? Oh, okay. Well, we're going to have flan on this one too, so.
Halo-halo normally has flan.
Does it? Oh, maybe I just never noticed because there's so much. But there's lots of, you can see all the different stuff. Blueberry, lychee, pineapple, saba, durian, sweet corn, lanka would be good. All right, let's wait and get our ice creams. So beautiful. Nice.
Thank you.
I'm glad we got the chocolate and banana split. I'm excited. We're gonna get some pictures and then we'll eat.
Do you wanna taste everything first
Go
before
for
we
it.
mix? That's what I usually do.
Try it.
Yeah.
Is that milk on top?
Mm-hmm. Condensed milk, I guess. Oh, yeah. Ooh.
Even though I dropped some, it's good. It's like sweet cream.
Mm. Try the ice cream.
You like it? Let's try it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You should mix the halo-halo with the Filipino way.
Mix it up.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead.
Mix now?
Yeah, mix it.
Did you find it weird? Like, I've seen videos of American finding weird beans in dessert. There's some beans.
Oh, yeah, beans is different. I had my first halo Chow King.
It's not really good halo-halo there.
Oh, there's ice at the bottom. I'm gonna eat the pirouette.
Yeah, okay.
Mm.
Sometimes the taste of the halo-halo depends on the ice. Usually the other halo-halo have like not very ice like this. It's still thick. You know, like an ice from water.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes halo-halo ang chocolate is like that.
Banana split's really good too.
Mm, yeah.
Have you had a banana split before?
Mm.
Mm.
Is that very popular in your country? The banana split?
I think it's like a very old school type of dessert. It's the kind of thing people used to eat back in the 50s.
Mm-hmm. It's very thick.
Let's get some beans. Very good.
Along ka.
Okay.
Here. And then different jellies. Different colors of jellies. And then banana. Here's the flag. I'm gonna eat that.
Is that good? Now the trick is, can you take the cherry stem? Where's the stem? Let me see it. You have to tie it with your tongue. Yep. Tied it with my tongue. Did a little knot.
How do you do it?
With my tongue?
Yeah.
Skill.